Hello, my name is Eric José Ramirez Verdejo and welcome to All About Dolphins documentary. As you can see, dolphins are magical creatures which we always see on TV or in books and movies. But did you know that Flipper and Free Willy are actually distant cousins? Crazy, right? Did you know that dolphins actually have two brains? Insane. Did you know that dolphins sometimes swim in group of over 1,000 other dolphins? Awesome. Have you ever wanted to swim with dolphins in Isla Guada? Well, we have information about that. Have you wondered what dolphin is? Well, through this documentary, I'm going to explain more about dolphins and its life. Dolphins live in salt water, but they can also live in freshwater locations. Only a handful of the species, though, are known to thrive in freshwater regions. They tend to stick to the shallow areas of the water found along the continental shelves. The dolphin parts are pectoral fins, dorsal fin, peduncle, fluke, median notch, genital slit, rostrum, melon, and blowhole. Dolphins are not chicken of the sea, yet it would appear that they make a tasty meal for many predators. And why not? With an exceptional high fat content, dolphin and other cetacean meat provides great nutrition for predators who stalk. Many researchers agree that dolphins are extremely social creatures and actually seem to depend on this interaction while they are hunting, mating, and defending themselves and their pods. Typically, dolphins live and travel in groups ranging from 2 to 40 dolphins. Research has also shown dolphin pods as large as several hundred members. In Isla Guada, you can pay for a trip by boat to see these awesome animals. Even you can snorkeling with them. However, the truth is that now is decreasing the number of dolphins which come to the island, and this is because they are in danger of extinction, which is really sad. While dolphins face many natural dangers within the deep expanse of the ocean, however, the most overwhelming threat to their existence is man. Although some dolphin species are considered an endangered species, alarming statistics suggest that more and more dolphins are being killed by illegal dynamite fishing, being caught in fishing nets, collisions with boats and or propellers, marine pollution, disease, and beaching due to sonar interference than ever before. Research suggests that over 95% of dolphin deaths are directly attributable to man-related causes. Dolphins are mammals. This means that they nurse their babies with milk from the mother. Dolphins can breathe through their mouth. They can only breathe through their blowhole. Their trachea and esophagus are completely separate. Dolphins can swim up to 260 meters below the surface of the ocean. Dolphins can stay up to 15 minutes underwater, but they cannot breathe under the water. Dolphins use a technique called echolocation to find food and navigate. Dolphins live in groups formed by 10 to 12 individuals. There are 36 different kinds of ocean dolphins and 5 species of river dolphins. The largest dolphin is the killer whale, also known as orca. The most known dolphin is the bottlenose dolphin. Dolphins are warm-blooded. Dolphins communicate through sounds and whistles. Compared to other animals, dolphins are believed to be very intelligent. Dolphins are carnivores, which means they eat meat. Yeah, they eat fish. Female dolphins are called cows, males are called bulls, and young dolphins are called calves. Dolphins often display a playful attitude which makes them popular in human culture. They can be seen jumping out of the water, reading waves, playing fighting, and occasionally interacting with humans swimming in the water. Dolphins have an excellent eyesight and hearing as well as the ability to use echolocation for finding the exact location of objects. Some dolphin species face the threat of extinction, often directly as a result of human behavior. The Yangtze River dolphin is an example of a dolphin species which may have recently become extinct. Some fishing methods, such as the use of net, kill a large of number of dolphins every year. Like whales, dolphins are susceptible to entanglement in commercial fishing gear. Discarded fishing gear also poses a major threat. Entanglement drowns dolphins when they are unable to reach the surface to breathe. A number of dolphin species are on the verge of extinction for this very reason. River dolphins share their habitat with a large percentage of the world's population, which is threatening their existence. The construction of dams, both traffic and other waterfront development are destroying their river habitats at an alarming rate. Some dolphin species are harvested as a food source, despite containing toxic levels of contaminants such as heavy metals in their flesh. Some countries continue to consume them. These contaminants have been directly linked to illness and disorders in humans who consume them. Climate change has a multitude of effects on the oceans, which can have adverse impacts on marine mammals such as dolphins. As ocean temperatures rise from climate change, prey populations can be affected. Climate change also affects ocean currents, altering prey distribution, feeding grounds, and migratory pathways. Pollution from human activities results in substances like PCBs, heavy metals, and pesticides being present in the environment. These toxins build up or bioaccumulate in the tissues of organisms and increase as organisms move up the food chain. Organisms at the top of the food chain, such as dolphins, are affected the most and carry the highest loads of toxins in their bodies. Over time, these toxins can cause immune and reproductive disorders as well as chronic disease and death. Noise pollution is also a great danger to dolphins in the wild. Activities like oil drilling, navigational sonars, and even ship engines create continuous stream of underwater noise that can frighten, disorient, or even injure the dolphins. Besides, noise pollution forces sometimes dolphins to move away from their feeding and breeding areas, causing different problems. Another cause of death for dolphins is the injuries suffered by the entanglement in cages, shark safety nets and fishing nets, as well as collision with ships and rudder blades. As we explore more and more the ocean and their habitat, we are bringing the dangers to them. Despite that, some dolphin species are considered an endangered species. Some of them are still the target of sport fishing, and they are often shot to reduce their presence in fishing areas or even for bait. Other threats to dolphins include capture for the highly controversial marine park industry, the ingestion of marine debris, activity and spills resulting from oil and gas development, disturbance by recreational watercraft, and noise pollution. Saving dolphins is not a difficult task. It only requires some attention from all of us. One of the most important issues that should be addressed is the reduction of the pollution in the oceans, which causes thousands of deaths to dolphins. The second issue is related with the accidental deaths caused by fishing nets, especially those deployed by tuna ships. Also, the sound pollution should be stopped. Finally, the stop of all kind of commercial killing should be avoided. Doing this and educating people about dolphins will help to save dolphins. We have to do something to help them. There are some associations which are trying to protect them. You can find them on the internet. Join the fight to end the dolphin threats. Together we can do really great things.
On your back. So all you have to do is come out and lay on your back behind the dolphin. Please take the fins off, they only 6 feet. Any questions? Come behind